How to make an offer. By now you're probably emotionally exhausted. You've probably met your broker 3 months ago. You've been going to open homes for what feels like an eternity. You've lost your weekends. You're looking at properties. Maybe even missed out on a few, but you've found a property that you just have to have. Here are my tips on how to make your offer as appealing as possible for the owner. First up, it's a little known fact that I once worked in real estate. I was consistently selling 4 or more properties a month in my time of 6 years as a real estate agent. I was spending all my weekends at open homes as you are now, and I saw and felt the emotional disappointment when a buyer missed out on a property due to competition, and them not either being in a position to put an offer forward or not putting it forward correctly. I find that most other conveyancers may have worked underneath another solicitor or may have started out in the legal industry as a receptionist or assistant for somebody and made their way to the conveyancer they are now. With my point of difference, it gives you the edge to put your offer forward as competitively as possible and be in the best possible position to make this offer and fulfill what you've said your offer will be. The best advice I can give is to make your offer look as appealing as possible by saying that you're prepared to move quickly. I've got 2 key tips for putting an offer forward. First of all, keep it simple. There will be other buyers at the open home putting offers forward. If your offer is simple and concise and to the point, it will make that opportunity for the agent putting your offer to the owner as simple as possible. I've seen too many times that a buyer may overcomplicate their offer. Here's my offer, but it's subject to pest and building, subject to finance, subject to a strata report, subject to my mum's neighbour's friend coming and having a look at it because they think they know property best. You've had the opportunity to engage your broker from the beginning. You know your financial position. You and I have been speaking through the whole process. If we were to put our offer forward and to go, here's what I'm prepared to pay, how soon would the owner be willing to sign a contract? That is going to be rewarded enormously. The second tip is speed is rewarded. How quickly can you sign the contract? That is going to be the best thing to put your offer forward. In some instances, an owner may even take a lesser offer if there is the ability for something to happen faster than another bidder. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.